support the government in having all these records digitized. We have no problem with digitizing records, and we know that it has been manual for quite some time. We have no problem with digitizing. Perhaps the only issue was the approach, the manner in which the whole vetting process has been approached, because they are targeting both those with fake licenses and those with legitimate licenses the same way. And we are saying, there can be a better approach to that. In our constitution, as a gun owners association, it is mandatory for each member to undergo training, basic training, handle and use training, and they must attend training at least 3 times every quarter. So with that in place, that has ensured that the proficiency among our members is at acceptable levels.
We've always been championing to find the way that we can be able to use our firearms in a safe manner. Kenya has always had a history where they've been saying that people are cowboys or people have been misusing their firearms. In GAO Kenya, we are people who putting in all the licensed firearm holders when they register with us. We ensure that they have got sufficient training, and once that they have that sufficient training, we also help them in monitoring to ensure that the firearms are used in the manner that is prescribed in law.